Wahkiakum whispers through the trees. Columbia's arms cradle the breeze. Fairy rock steady, a time-worn tune. Stories linger in the river's bloom. Cathlamet calling, hear the sound. A place where the past and the present are bound. Cathlamet calling, waters flow wide, history rides on the ferry's tide. Timber dreams and a settler's plight. Foggy morning, stars at night. Echoes of trade, the river's old song, where the heart of the town has beat all along. Oh, the ferry hums, oh, the river sighs. Generations crossing under painted skies. Wahkiakum spirit, it never fades. It's etched in the hills and the lives it made. Cathlamet calling, hear the sound. A place where the past and the present are bound. Cathlamet calling, waters flow wide, history rides on the ferry's tide. Wahkiakum whispers a soft refrain. Columbia carries its soul again. Cathlamet